The PowerBlast Plus pressure washer has been getting a lot of attention online. But is it actually worth buying, or is it just another overhyped gadget? After looking into its features, customer feedback, and what it promises, here's what you should know before spending your money. First, let's talk about what it claims to do. The PowerBlast Plus is designed to turn an ordinary garden hose into a more powerful cleaning tool. It's marketed as an easy way to clean cars, patios, driveways, fences, windows, and outdoor furniture without buying a large electric pressure washer. That sounds great, especially if you want something lightweight and simple. One thing many people like is how easy it is to use. It doesn't require electricity or a motor. You simply connect it to a compatible garden hose, choose the spray pattern, and start cleaning. It's also much easier to store than a bulky pressure washer, making it a good option for smaller homes or apartments. However, this is where expectations matter. Despite the name, the PowerBlast Plus is not a true high-pressure washer like the electric or gas-powered machines professionals use. Since it relies on your home's water pressure, the cleaning performance depends heavily on the water pressure coming from your tap. If your water pressure is low, don't expect miracle results. That doesn't mean it's useless. For washing cars, rinsing dirt off bikes, cleaning garden furniture, watering plants, or removing light grime, it can work quite well. But if you're trying to remove years of built-up stains, thick moss, or oil from concrete, you'll probably need a real pressure washer. Another thing to consider is build quality. Some buyers report that it feels sturdy enough for regular household use, while others mention that certain accessories don't feel as premium as advertised. As with many products sold online, quality can vary depending on the seller. So, is the PowerBlast Plus legit or a scam? Based on what we've found, it appears to be a legitimate cleaning attachment, but some of the advertising can create unrealistic expectations. It won't magically produce professional-level pressure. If you understand what it actually does, it may be a useful and affordable tool for everyday outdoor cleaning.